Let's example 4. In a similar triangles, example 4. Here in a trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to CD, E and F are points on non-parallel sides AD and BC respectively, such that EF is a parallel to AB. Show that AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. By seeing a diagram, you have to draw whole diagram. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD. This is a trapezium. In a trapezium, already you know one pair of sides are parallel. EF is a 2 points. EF is a one line. Is a 2 points on non-parallel sides. E and F are points on non-parallel sides. You join EF line. It is a parallel. You have to show. Then you see given is what? Trapezium ABCD. AB is a parallel to CD and EF is a parallel to AB. EF is a parallel to AB, already given. It is also. Here RTP is equal to what? AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. You have to show. AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. You have to show. This is. Next, construction. Here this line is there, not dotted line. It is a construction. Join AC. It's a diagonal. This AC meets EF at G. At G. Here now proof. You see, in a triangle, first of all, you take this triangle. In a triangle ADC, EG is a parallel to CD. EG is a parallel to CD. Here it is a parallel to AB is already given. So it is a parallel to CD also. Why? Because it is a trapezium. AB is a parallel to CD. It is a parallel to AB. It is a parallel to CD. So EG is a parallel to CD. So from BPT, AE by ED is equal to AG by EC. AE by ED is equal to AG by EC. Equation 1. In a triangle ABC, this triangle you take, ABC triangle. Here AB is a parallel to EF. FG is a parallel to AB in this triangle. From BPT, BF by FC is equal to AG by GC. This is second equation. Equation 1 and equation 2 you observe RHS are equal. AG by GC, AG by GC. So AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. Hence proof. RTP is also same. Hence proof. Here simply you see, here it is a one triangle, it is a one triangle. I have taken this triangle and this triangle. Why? Because it is a common side. AC is a common side. You will get a common ratio AG by GC. This is in the two triangles. This is a common ratio. You will get from two equations. You will get AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. Hence proof. Okay. Now we go to a exercise 8.1 exercise in a 8th chapter similar triangles. This is the first exercise problem. First problem in this exercise. In a triangle PQR, ST is a line such that PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. This diagram you have to draw whole. In a triangle PQR, you have to draw a triangle PQR with a hole and ST you drawn. ST line you draw and PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. PT by TR. Angle PST is equal to PST. This angle, these two lines is there. This angle is equal to angle PRQ. Prove that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. This is a PQR is a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal, then two angles are equal. Here two sides equal you have to show. That is isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal means two angles are equal. Okay, you see here given that in a triangle PQR in a triangle, ST is a line, PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. PT by TR. This is already given. Angle PST is equal to angle PRQ. PRQ. RTP. This is a triangle PQR is a isosceles. Isosceles means two angles are equal na. You have to show that this angle is there na. This angle is also same. That means angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. You are proved. It's enough. Next you see we will go to a proof. In a triangle PQR, ST is a line. Then PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. This is given. It is given only. Given from converse BPT. PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR na. So this is ST is a parallel to QR. ST is a parallel to QR. This up to here is over. Next, orally I will explain to you. See, if these two lines are parallel, suppose it is a transversal. In a 9th class you already studied. These are two lines are parallel. It is a transversal. These two angles are angle PST is equal to angle PQR. Why? You know. These two are pair of corresponding angles. Pair of corresponding angles are equal. Pair of corresponding angles. Angle PST is equal to angle PQR. Already these two angles are equal. So these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal means this triangle is a isosceles. Thanks proof. That is once again I will explain to you. You see carefully, angle ST is a parallel to QR from diagram. Once again I will try the triangle is you see PQR. Here S and T. This is a parallel to this. This angle is equal to this angle already given. These two are a parallel. These are two are a parallel. PQ is a transversal. PQ is a transversal. Angle PST is equal to angle PQR. Since pair of corresponding angles. Pair of corresponding angle PST is equal to angle PRQ. It is given. Yeah, already angle PST is equal to angle PQR. From these two, angle PRQ is equal to angle PQR. Angle PRQ is equal to angle PQR. These two angles are equal. Therefore, triangle PQR is a equilateral. Equilateral. Hence true.